What is up, everybody? Welcome to another daily trading hub video. In this video, I'm just going to be breaking down the buying opportunity that I'm seeing on USDCAD. USDCAD is one of the hottest pairs right now, and I'm looking for a buying opportunity on USDCAD. So let's just dive into the analysis straight up. So in the past, USDCAD has been in a range, on a monthly range, so a series of equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, until price made an equal high, and then it came all the way, made a higher high and a higher low, and then it made a higher high. It has come down for that kind of lower high. I expect it to continue to rally all the way to the upside. So I'm looking for buying opportunity on USDCAD. Buying opportunity on USDCAD. You can also see here we have our monthly lower zone, we have our monthly mid-range zone, and then we have our monthly upper zone here. Price has currently broken a little above the monthly mid-range zone, a little above the monthly mid-range zone, confirming that there's a lot of bias in the market. Another thing we're also seeing right now, we can also see some kind of bullish engulfing candle here, strong bullish engulfing candle showing the presence of bias here, which have broken the monthly high. This was a strong level of resistance in the past. 1, 2, and even 3. So this was a strong level of resistance in the past. Price has managed to break above that level, and it's currently looking to continue to buy on USDCAD. So how are we going to be taking our buying opportunity on USDCAD and take advantage of it, possibly all the way to the next monthly resistance, to serve as a monthly high? You get it? So now let's just scale down to our weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we have our weekly lower zone. Price found support here. Initially, price was going down for that retest, remember? So initially price was going down, series of lower low, lower high. It made a lower low here. It found support, couldn't go down, found support again, some kind of triple bottom, and now it has broken above the weekly mid-range zone. The weekly mid-range zone, let me just zoom in so that you can see it well. It has broken above the weekly mid-range zone. So we can kindly see that price was consolidating here. If it had a lot of sell power, we would have continued to sell down, but price found support on a mid-range zone here, which served as weekly support, and then it had a double bottom, even a triple bottom, and then it broke all the way up. We have a retest, and now price is looking to continue all the way up. And on a monthly mid-range zone, around this zone, we've seen that price has broken this strong level of resistance all the way to the upside. It has closed a candle above this level. So I'm looking for a buying opportunity, first of all, to capitalize on it, to go to around 1.405 before eventually we head all the way to the strong monthly zone. So USDCAD is a pair that I like. It's a pair that I like, and I think that it's going to continue to buy. So let's just see how we can see our buying opportunity on USDCAD. So on a daily time frame, we were in a range. So price was in a range. Price was in a range here, and the range has managed to break all the way to the upside. You can clearly see that the range has managed to break all the way to the upside, some kind of retest, and then price is continuing all the way. Remember, we have our first target, which will be the weekly upper zone around 1.45 before you eventually continue to buy all the way if price breaks down. So breaks up. So I'm looking to continue to buy on USDCAD, buying opportunities on USDCAD only. So let's just scale down to our 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, we also have price is in a strong uptrend. So you can currently see that price made a higher high, it made a higher low, it made another higher high, made another higher low, and then it made another strong higher high. It's coming down for a retest for higher low before we eventually continue to buy. So out here, I'll be looking for buying opportunities on USDCAD. Let me just even clone this, and then I'll just find a mid-range zone for this pair, USDCAD, somewhere around here, a 4-hour mid-range zone. So price managed to break above. So see, you can see higher high, higher low, another higher high, we're going to put an equal higher low, or even a higher low here, or an equal higher low, and then price continues to buy. So on USD CAD, I'm not doing anything. I'm just looking for a buying opportunity. This pair is going to buy massively, likely to go to buy massively all the way to the upside. So let's just scale down to our 2-hour time frame, which is our entry time frame, and then we'll see how price is reacting. The same thing, there's nothing has changed. Strong buy pressure all the way to the upside. We had a little bit of consolidation around here, as you rightly guessed initially. We had a consolidation here. Price broke all the way to the upside. Now it's coming for that retest. This is a higher high, this is a higher low, broke above the 4-hour higher high. Again, it's coming down for that retest, either an equal higher low, an equal low, or a higher low, and then price is going to continue to buy all the way. So I'm looking for buying opportunities on USD CAD. So buying would be a bullish engulfing candle around, possibly price, maybe. These are two ways that I'm looking to buy. One, price breaks above again with a strong momentum, and then I'm looking for that retest, and then I'll continue to buy. That's one way of buying. The second way I'm looking at is for price to now come all the way down here for an equal higher low, and then we'll continue to buy again. So these are the two levels, the two ways I'm looking to buy on USD CAD. The entry confirmation is our candlestick, bullish engulfing candlestick, is our morning star, and a bullish pin bar. So if we get any entry confirmation around this level or around this high, we'll be looking to take our buying opportunities all the way to the upside. So if you want to see me drop this setup when it's ready, do well to join our Telegram. The link is in our bio. To the next one, peace. I'm out.